Hello, welcome to my math lesson today. Our first activity is going to be to count past 10. So I have this tool called a Reckon-Neck. In my class, we learned how to count the Say 10 way. So let's do that first. 10 and 1. 10 and 2. 10 and 3. Okay, now we're going to assign different numbers to the 1, 2, and 3. 10 and 1 is 11. Say 11. Good. 11 and 1 more is 12. How many? 12. 1 more is 13. How many? 13. So let's practice that one more time. How many? 10 and 1, 11. 1 more is 12. 12. 1 more is 13. So let's practice counting to 13. 10, 11, 12, 11, 12, 13, 12, 13, 11. Very good. All right, excellent. Now, we are going to look at some dots. So this is called take apart. So we are going to take apart these dots. How many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we are going to take apart how many? 9. So one way we can take apart the dots is by drawing a line under these dots. How many do you see here? 1, 2, 3. So let's write number 3. How many are here? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can say 3 and 6 is 9. Very good. Let's try another way. We can take it apart this way. How many dots do you see? 2. How many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and 2 is 9. Very good. Okay, let's try one more. Let's separate or take apart the dots this way. How many dots are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many dots are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 and 5 is 9. And if you want to do this at home, just make 9 dots like this and try to break apart the dots like I did and see how many different ways you can make 9. All right, excellent. So we are going to do our application problem. So listen to my story. Betsy had 9 flowers, but she only had 2 vases. So let's draw the vases. And she had how many flowers? 9. So I'm going to put some flowers in this vase and the rest of the flowers in this vase. How many should I put in here? I think I'm going to put 3 flowers in here. You don't need to put 3. You can put a different number as long as it's under 9. So I put 3 flowers there. Now we need to figure out how many go here. So I'm going to count these first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I counted on from my 3 flowers to figure out how many flowers are here. So I have 3 flowers here. Now let's count these flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 flowers in this vase. And do you remember how many do I have all together? 9. Very good. All right, now we're going to do this activity. So you will need 9 counters. I'm using these circle counters here, but you can use 9 of anything that you have in your house. And today we are going to pretend that these are bears. Now some bears are sleeping and some bears are hunting for a honey tree. So we are going to figure out how many bears are sleeping and how many bears are hunting. So how many bears should be sleeping? As long as the number is under 9, it is okay. I want 3 bears to be sleeping. So I'm going to put 3 bears. 1, 2, 3. They're sleeping in the cave. The rest of my bears are hunting by the tree, or they're hunting for the trees in the forest. So let's figure out how many bears are hunting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's make our number bond. Do you remember what number goes as the whole? How many do we have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 bears. How many are sleeping? 3. And how many are hunting? 6. So we can say 9 is 3 and 6. Very good. Okay, let's try another one. Okay. So now I am going to think of another number. I think some of those bears are really sleepy. So I think 7 bears are still sleeping in the cave. And the rest are hunting. So let's show that with our pictures. There are 7. Seven bears are sleeping. How many bears are now hunting? 2. So let's make our number bond. 9 is 7 and 2. Very good. All right, let's try one more. Okay. So now, I think there are now 2 sleeping. If there are 2 sleeping, do you think there are more or fewer that are hunting? What do you think? Let's figure it out. There are 2 in the cave sleeping. That means all of these are hunting. So are there more or fewer bears hunting? There are more bears hunting. That's right, very good. Okay, so for our last activity, I'm going to show you a game. So with this game, you're going to need your bear counters, and you can get a bowl, just a little bowl, or a box or a container, something that you can have some in and some under. So this you should probably play with somebody else, but you can also try to play it on your own. It's just easier if you play it with a grown-up or even a sibling. So what you do is somebody closes their eyes, and then the person who does not have their eyes closed, so you have your 9 bears in here. You're going to take some bears out of the box or the bowl, and you're going to put them under. You're going to put them under like this. Let me just show you with my, there you go. So you're going to put them under. and the person opens their eyes, counts how many bears there are in the box, and then you need to figure out how many bears are under the box. Okay? So to do that, you can make a number bond like this. So you have how many bears are in the box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's make a number bond. So we have the 9, because we have 9. Yep. And then we have 5. Now you need to figure out how many go here. You can count the bears, or you can try to figure it out on your fingers, but try to figure out what number goes in this circle to complete the number bond. And it is 4. Okay? So do the best you can. I hope you enjoyed my lesson today, and I will see you again soon. Goodbye.